everyone, welcome to our home. Hey everyone, it's Debbie. Welcome to our home. This video has been so requested, so we're doing it today. So basically we have had the LG fridge behind me now for 2 years. And I wanted to go through how we're liking it, some of the pros and cons, and also how we maintain the fridge. So from cleaning it to replacing the filters and everything else. So let's get into it. Hey guys, so we just finished cleaning the fridge with 2 of my most favorite products for glass and stainless steel. I've tried everything on stainless steel, and the Revive from Pledge is the best to for my fridge. Just every single fingerprint comes off, and it also resists smears and stains and such. So I only have to do that like once every 3 months. Now this area that gets a lot of hard water stains, if you can see, a lot of use from the ice and the water. So basically the way I clean that is with like a vinegar wash, and then I wanted to show you how this comes off. So you just slide it out like this. Ooh, hard water stains, calcium deposits, and then I'll just wash this in the sink. So let's do that right now, and then we'll get right into our pros and cons. Hey guys, so I forgot when I was spraying all this, I need to actually switch this off so when I clean it and scrub it down, it won't activate the water or the ice. And the way you can do that here is locking it. So there's this door alarm lock feature, and you're just gonna hold it down till the lock starts to flash. There we go. So now these 2 won't activate while I'm cleaning. Hey guys, so now we're done cleaning the fridge on the outside. We're gonna open the doors and I'll show you how we're organizing it right now and how we're using the fridge in all of the spaces. And then I'll also go into the refills of the air filter and the water filter. Make sure you like and subscribe and comment below if there's anything, any questions that you have about the fridge for now. All right, so one of the features that we initially picked this fridge for was that this peekaboo window. You could knock twice and you could see everything that's in it. I'll tell you, we hardly ever use that feature, but one of the other features, the inset mini fridge here, when you push this, it opens up. Definitely use that feature a ton because we can just put all the things we access a lot, like the creamer and the ketchup, the butter up here. And then there's a little space down here that's really small, but for you probiotic lovers, honestly, the Yakults or the little yogurts fit absolutely perfect in here. So we just line them up so the kids can access them easily, and those are a perfect fit for that area. You can also like put string cheese in here or other small items. Another thing about the door that we love is you can open the full door here, and let's say you put something, look how deep, I'll show you, look how deep that is right here. So you can actually access it from here as well. You can basically push and it opens up, and you can easily get to things that you put all the way in the back here. And then just close it up just like that. So because I'm going to have the double doors open for a while, there is a built-in alarm right here in the features panel, and it's here at the bottom, and it's called door alarm lock. So if you push it, so that signifies that it's on. We're going to turn it off so that it doesn't make all that noise when I have the doors open. So yeah, really simple. Turn it on, turn it off if you want the sound. Another cool feature is the light. So if you do like to have a light, which will show up here around the ring here, you can push that on, the light comes on, or turn it off. Hey guys, so here's our fridge in all its glory. It's usually stuffed to the brim, but I need to go to the grocery store. So let's close the freezer for now, and we'll just start with the fridge. Very easy to close. So like I said, I did the first review video when we first received the fridge, when it got delivered, and you can go back and see that video. I'll post it up here. And it just kind of highlighted all the things I had to do, like for example, getting this clear thing so that it wouldn't bump into the wall when you're installing. So all those little tips and tricks sort of like when I first got it, but now we've had it for 2 years, and the overall review I would say is we really love it. Like it's just a great fridge. I know that a lot of people have had complaints about it with the compressor, etc., but we've had 0 issues at all. So hopefully you are liking your fridge as well. Again, this video is not sponsored. It's just something that I wanted to share on our channel to see if you were trying to decide on a fridge. Maybe this would help you make that decision. So top shelf here, and these are all adjustable, so you can move that to whichever you want here. And these are easy to clean and easy to pull out. I've been able to clean all of these when I've had spills. There is one part here that has been hard to clean. So there was like a spill here. I don't know if you guys can see it, and I'm not quite sure how to get to that, so I gotta figure out how to pull this whole thing out. But I just pulled these drawers out yesterday and wiped them all down. Perfect time to do it is when your fridge is empty, right? And then of course you've got the sliders here for fruit and vegetable, over here as well, fruit and vegetables. We don't play much with that, but the drawers are a little small, but are able to fit what we need in there. And then I love that feature where you can like slide this in and out. So if you need more room for all your tall stuff, like the the milks and the juices, then you have that, and you can fit about 3 or 4 tall items there. Another thing is complaint was like the condiments, not enough room for condiments. We have a ton of condiments, as you can see, and then obviously more here. So even if you do have a lot of condiments, I think this is fine. We do have to keep a few things in the other fridge outside in the garage, but for the most part, because we had to buy the counter depth LG fridge, this has been perfect. And then this is where we keep the cheeses and the meats. Let's talk about the freezer for a little bit. So this has been awesome. I love being able to see everything in my fridge. When you pull this out, this drawer slides out with it, and it even comes out further. And I really love it. This tray actually can come out, but look at, I mean, 2 compartments, so 1 and 2, and yeah, we have it stuffed to the brim. And then over here we keep our frozen treats, different things, and there's just so much room. The depth in here is really good. This is a tray that came with it, and we like to put ice in here when we know we're having a party and you need like extra ice. Because this ice maker, which I'll show you guys if you remember the demo on the ice maker is right here. Just pull it out like that, open it up. It's making ice right now. So there's the ice. It's pretty big. It's narrow though, so when we have parties, I just usually make sure to remember to make maybe 1 or 2 extra batches. The ice produces super fast. And that leads me actually right into the filter. So I would say a few months back, the ice stopped producing, and I didn't know what was wrong. Turns out I had forgotten to swap out the filter. The filter needs to be changed out every, I think it's 6 months. So the filter is right over here, and I wanted to show you guys because we also had an issue with this. Not so much an issue, but when I was trying to swap it out, I didn't realize I had to like click the filter in a little more. I didn't want to break anything, but sometimes you do have to be a little forceful to like get it snapped in. Otherwise there's just water everywhere if the filter is not inserted properly. So here it says push, so on both sides you push and you pull, and then this is the filter. The one we have in right now is just an Amazon generic replacement filter. We have also bought the LG water filters, but they are so expensive. So these come in like a 3-pack and have worked honestly perfectly. And then we just make sure that I put a reminder on my phone to swap it out every 6 months, because yeah, you won't get any ice once that filter is ready to be replaced. So I wanted to show you the filters that we use for the water filter and also for this air filter back here, a Keep Fresh filter. So yeah, let's show you that right now. So the Keep Fresh filter is right in the very back of the fridge, and then the water filter was just right over here. So they're both on the top section in the back. This fresh filter is really easy to exchange. I honestly don't really know if it's doing anything, but the filters were pretty affordable, so I didn't mind like swapping them out. As you can see, I stuck one of these Arm & Hammer. They're just like a suction cup, and you can buy a multi-pack from Amazon for really cheap, and they definitely work. So definitely don't smell any strange odors in the fridge. And let me show you where we keep it in the freezer. So in the freezer, I put it on the side. See it? So it's actually on the door. So I think this is like some sort of a venting system. When the doors are closed, obviously they hug these. And I have found that ice accumulates around this, so I will sometimes make sure I take off all the ice, throw it in the sink, And yeah, just make sure that it's clear here because I don't want any of that suction to be lost for whatever purpose this serves. Another thing, let me show you how to do the filter. So back to the air filter. Like I said, I change it out anyways, even though I have the Arm & Hammers. And all you do, it'll tell you open, turn left, close, turn right. So open, just like a quick twist like that. And then as you can see, the air filter is here, and there's a light there. And then just snap it back on. Just be gentle, don't break anything. Okay, and that was easy. So I wanted to show you the filters. This is the water filter that I have. I'll put a link below if you guys want to buy the generic, but you can also buy the LG one. You know, the LG one, I think sometimes if you're subscribed to the LG warranty, they'll offer you like a deal. These are the air filters I got on Amazon. Let's see, this was a 6-pack, and I've only replaced it once, I think. So really cheap, really easy, why not, right? I'm trying to keep my fridge maintained so it'll last as long as possible. As you guys know, fridges are not cheap. So we need to maintain it really well. And I don't know if you guys saw my video on Instagram. FruityMom8 is my handle on Instagram. And the maintenance I did on the back of the fridge, there's like a vent in the back. And the guy who came to try to repair our old fridge, he told me you have to vacuum that lint out of the back vent. So just a quick hand vac along the back, get all the lint and spider webs off. And that will really extend the compressor life. So let's move on to some other things. One other thing people have had complaints about is the water spewing over here, or the ice. But again, I've had no problems. Just wanted to show you guys this again because it's one of our most loved features. The ice is just the perfect size. So I did turn it off when I was cleaning it earlier. So I'll show you guys how to turn it back on. So again, back to this function, the lock and unlock. Let's get some ice first. So ice down here, water over here. A lot of our water bottle refills, as you can see, kind of scratched up that surface, and the Pledge Revive does a pretty good job. As you can see, you can't really tell unless you look up close, but it doesn't bother me. So beautiful little ice cubes, and you can do crushed or cubed, so the ice type. Crushed, cubed, and then the water. Comes out perfectly, and this is all filtered. So no spewing here. We absolutely love how easy it is to access water and ice. Hey guys, so that is all we have for video number 2. Again, if you want to watch video number 1 when you first got it delivered and set it up, please do that. But 2 years later, the LG fridge is still going strong for our family. We really, really like it. And I don't know what else to say. It's just a great refrigerator. Cheers.